You just lost a trade? Your heart is racing, your account is down, and something inside you says, get it back. Get it all back right now. So you open another trade, then another, and another. And by the end of the day, you've turned a small loss into a devastating experience. That's not bad luck. That's revenge trading. And it's the most expensive emotional mistake a trader can make. Here's what's really happening when you revenge trade. Your brain has shifted from trading mode to survival mode. You're no longer thinking about setups or strategy. You're thinking about pain, and you want that pain to stop. So you chase, you overtrade, you abandon your rules, and the market, which doesn't care about your feelings, punishes you for every single emotional decision you make. Most traders think revenge trading is a discipline problem. It's not. It's a psychology problem. And until you understand what's triggering it, you'll keep falling into the same trap every single time you take a loss. When you lose money, your brain releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Your fight or flight response activates. In that state, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational decision-making, goes offline. You literally cannot think clearly after a significant loss. And that's exactly when most traders make their worst decisions. The market doesn't create revenge traders. Your nervous system does. Because your brain can't tell the difference between a bear attack and a red candlestick. Both trigger the same fight or flight response. Same cortisol. Same prefrontal cortex shutdown. The brain doesn't know you're sitting safely at a desk. It just knows you're under threat, and it wants you to act now. That's why revenge trading feels so urgent and unstoppable. Your survival instincts are running the show, not your strategy, not your rules, your instincts. At Market Mindset University, we teach a 3-step framework for breaking the revenge trading cycle. Step 1, the stop. The moment you feel the urge to immediately re-enter after a loss, stop. Close the platform. Walk away. Even 5 minutes creates enough distance to let your nervous system begin to reset. Step 2, the review. Before you place another trade, ask yourself 3 questions. Is this setup meeting my criteria, or am I chasing? Am I trading to recover, or am I trading to execute? Would I take this trade if I hadn't just lost? If you can't answer those questions clearly, you're not ready to trade again. Step 3, the reset. Journal the loss, not to beat yourself up, but to understand it. Was it a bad setup or a good setup that didn't work? There's a difference. One needs correction. The other needs acceptance. Disciplined traders accept losses as part of the process. Revenge traders treat every loss as a personal attack. The market will give you another opportunity tomorrow. But if you blow your account chasing today's loss, you won't be a trader tomorrow. Protect your capital. Protect your mindset. That's the MMU way. If you're ready to trade with discipline and break the emotional cycles that are costing you money, start your journey at mmu.media. Practice with purpose. Perform with precision. It's our winning edge.